Let's discuss the third type of equation that can be converted to a quadratic equation to be solved, and that is the exponential equation. Over here, instead of x having powers, the terms of x will be the powers. So, see this here. This is the equation that we have. What we'll do here is basically, as you know, this becomes this 2 raised to the power 2x plus 1. This can be further simplified to 2 raised to the power 2x multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1. Now, this 2 raised to the power 1 will be multiplied with 4 to give you 8. And now look at this term basically here. Over here we'll take 2 raised to the power x and we'll put that whole to the power 2. And now you have terms for 2 raised to the power x over here and over here. Now just by using your own logic as you did in the type 1 equations, what you'll do here is you'll put 2 raised to the power x equal to y. So this now becomes a quadratic equation. 8y squared minus 9y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, what you'll do here is you'll factorize this into this form, and now you'll get basically these two terms. We've discussed how to factorize an equation earlier. You can refer to that if you wish. Now, you'll get two equations for y, either y minus 1 is equal to 0 or 8y minus 1 is equal to 0. And when you solve these, you'll get two values for y. So y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 divided by 8. Now, put this y is equal to 1 in this equation 1. So 2 raised to the power x is equal to 1. And now this becomes 2 raised to the power x is equal to 2 raised to the power 0. So x is equal to 0. Similarly, when you put y is equal to 1 by 8 in the same equation, you get 2 raised to the power x is equal to 1 by 8. So this becomes 2 raised to the power x is equal to 1 divided by 2 raised to the power 3. And if you take 2 raised to the power 3 in the numerator, this now becomes 2 raised to the power x is equal to 2 raised to the power minus 3. And simply x is equal to minus 3. Now you have two values for x. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 3. So this is the solution set.